Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to check battery level on your HONOR Earbuds X6. And basically we have a few options how to check it. Firstly, if you have Android device, you have option to check it at the control panel. And right here we have better percentages, or you can go to the settings, then connected devices and check it right here. We have better percentages information, or click at the settings icon, it's available on some Android phones, and check it right here, but it's the same information as in the previous window. Now, to check it on on your iPhone, you need to create a widget, and to make it, you need to press and hold at empty space, then click Editor Plus at the left top, and Add Widget. Now scroll down, and you need to find batteries. Click on it, and here's 3 presets. Select the best one for you. Let's say I want to add this widget, and right here I haven't information because this earbud is not connected with this iPhone, but once you connect it with your phone, you will see right here at this widget. Now let's move to check it in the application. So open HONOR AI Live application, and of course you need to add your earbuds to the application. And when you did it, right here at the at the device list, you will see your earbuds. And right here we can check a better percentages for the left and right earbuds, and also for the charging case. And it's better that check it on your phone, because on the phone you have like total battery percentages, and right here it's split it on the left, right earbuds and also charging case. And yes, you can also tap right here on it and check it right here, but it's the same information. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.